Hey guys, Dave from BODA V2 here. Today we're going to learn how to yield farm the new BODA V2 SOKU pair on SokuSwap to earn SOKU's rewards token, SUTEKU. This video assumes you're brand new to yield farming, but already know how to buy tokens on Binance Smart Chain. If you don't know how to buy tokens yet, we have a separate video for that, link in the description below. All right, so in order to yield farm BODA V2 SOKU, we first have to exchange an equal dollar amount of both BODA and SOKU for special BODA V2 SOKU liquidity pool tokens. It sounds complicated, but it's actually really easy. Check it out. First, you go to the SokuSwap pool page. At the top, you should see this button to add liquidity. Click on it, then select BODA V2 as your first input. Then select SOKU as your second input. If you enter an amount of BODA tokens you'd like to add, it will automatically calculate the correct amount of SOKU to create a pair. Or you can just click Max. In order to send the two tokens, you'll need to approve both. Click Approve BODA V2, complete the approve transaction, and then do the same for SOKU. Once both are approved, then you'll click Supply, then Confirm Supply. Complete the transaction to receive BODA V2 SOKU liquidity pool tokens. When you scroll down, you will see the number of tokens that you received. The last step to start earning is to add your tokens to the yield farm. Click the Farms button. Scroll down to the bottom and find SOKU BODA. Hit the drop down to open the actions. And then you'll need to approve again. This time you're approving sending your liquidity pool tokens to SokuSwap. Then click Stake. Select the number of tokens to send, usually the max since you only earn on staked tokens. Then hit Confirm to complete the transaction. Now you can see your SUTEKU balance and how much it's worth. You'll start seeing it add up right away. If you want to add more, just repeat the process to purchase BODA V2 SOKU liquidity pool tokens, then come back to the yield farm and click this plus button. If at any time you want to withdraw your tokens, just hit the minus button. To claim your SUTEKU rewards, just click the claim button. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can join us on Discord, Reddit, Facebook, and other social platforms.